The best advice I can give you for how to grow your YouTube cooking channel quickly is to not think about YouTube at all, but instead focus on creating a cooking show that's going to be valuable to your local community. If you create a show that everybody benefits from and everybody wants to be a part of, then the people in your local community will be the foundation for helping your channel grow quickly. So how do you do that? I recommend starting at the farmer's market. Instead of getting all of your ingredients from the grocery store, go to the farmer's market to get your ingredients and talk to the vendors. Find out who they are, why they're doing this, where they've traveled from. Get to know these people and get their contact information. So when you use their ingredients in your recipe, you send them that video, and what do you think they're going to do with it? They're going to tell everybody. They're going to send it out to their list, to their audience. And so you're going to be able to, simply by using their ingredients, you're going to get access to their audience because you're helping them showcase their products. And it doesn't have to just be the farmer's market. There may be a local small business, a local restaurant where they make a special sauce or a spice blend or something like that they sell. And if you want to use that, if it works well with your style of cooking and you incorporate that into your recipe, again, you're going to send them that video. And what do you think they're going to do with it? They're going to share it with everybody because you're going to help them sell their product. This is what I mean by creating a cooking show that everybody benefits from. If you do this alone, if you go at it alone the way most people do, you're just trying to create something to benefit yourself, you're going to have a much more difficult time growing your channel. But if you're going to put your energy into creating something that benefits not just you, but those around you in your community, your other small business owners in your community, they're going to help you grow it. And it's not just the small business owners, the consumers in your community who may not know about that farmer's market on the other side of town or wherever it is, or they may have never been to the restaurant where you got that special sauce from, or that spice blend. Or there may be, if you're like in the area where I am, there's actually a pretty robust community of food business incubators. So there's lots of home-based food businesses where people have made a packaged product and it's on store shelves locally. And so you can use your cooking show to help shine a light on these other food business owners and the products that they make. And again, when you make a video showcasing somebody's product and you send it to them, they're going to send it out to their audience. So this is a way that you can get people talking about your cooking show who otherwise wouldn't. And so instead of you having to promote everything by yourself, you're creating something that everybody wants to be a part of. And eventually, and it may not take long, that you start getting people who are giving you stuff, giving you ingredients, giving you their product because they want you to feature it. So that's the next stage of it. You start out by paying for the sponsorship yourself. You're going out and buying the ingredients, and then you're shouting out the person, the company, the business owner who produced it. And so you're effectively paying for that sponsorship. It's not even unpaid. You're actually buying the ingredients and then talking about it and then sending people the video for them to send out. That's level one. Level two is people they see these videos and they see how well you showcase these products and they want a piece of that. Hey, what do I have to do? Here's my, food product that I'd like for you to give a try. And so now you have people providing you with ingredients that you did not pay for. That's the next level. And then the third level is when you get to the point where you're actually charging people. When folks start to contact you and say, hey, I would love for you to feature my product. How does that work? You give them a price. And so now you're getting paid to sponsor products. Well, how did you get there? You had to start by giving. You had to start by doing it not for free. You're actually paying for the products. And then you get to the point where you're getting the products for free. And then you get to the point where you're being paid to be a spokesperson for these products. And so this is how you get your channel started. If you're starting from scratch, from brand new, this is what I would recommend. And this process may not take very long at all. You may find yourself getting paid sponsorships within the first 30 days. It's not likely, but it's possible, and certainly possible within the first 90 days, because again, you're creating something where everybody benefits. And once you've gotten your show to the point where you're actually influencing consumer behavior, and we see this all the time on the internet. That's what the term influencer means. When a product is featured on your show, a new video comes out on your channel this week, and you're talking about a particular product and that product flies off the shelves that next week, you're an influencer. You're influencing consumer behavior. People are going out and purchasing things because you recommended it. That is a powerful position to be in, and that's when you get people reaching out to you, more larger companies that are looking to do sponsorship deals with you because you are moving product. If you are contributing to revenue generation for somebody, people are going to want to contact you. And what I just gave you is a step-by-step plan for putting yourself into that position. This is not only going to grow your YouTube channel, it's going to grow your revenue, which is really the most important thing. I don't really care about YouTube metrics. My bottom line is really, for the chefs that I work with, teaching them how to create cooking shows, it's about generating revenue as quickly as possible. And you don't need big numbers on YouTube to generate revenue quickly. You can have a small channel that is paying you significant money, significant monthly income, because of the value that your channel is delivering, and then that value will only continue to increase over time. So yeah, start at the farmers market. Start with your local businesses, your local food businesses that have products that they make, and make your channel, make your cooking show something where it's a benefit to everybody and not just you. And oh yeah, if you run a restaurant yourself, you're a restaurant owner or a catering business owner or a food truck owner, again, this local strategy where you're focusing on not trying to blow up on YouTube, but creating a cooking show that is valuable to your local community. This is going to bring customers to your restaurant. This is going to bring you catering clients. This is going to bring you premium catering clients, the people who want to have a fantastic experience and they're willing to pay whatever that costs. Hosting your own weekly cooking show and focusing on the local market initially to get local people talking about you, that's how you get the opportunity for those premium catering gigs. Your food truck, same deal. People will come to know you. This is advertising. YouTube is on TV. So it's the biggest video streaming platform. It is the #2 most visited website in the world. If you have a cooking show on YouTube, you have a cooking show on TV. About half of YouTube viewers watch YouTube on their television. So with your YouTube cooking show, you have a local, it's really international, but right now we're just focusing on local. You have a local cooking show. You can structure it in a way that you get a lot of local people talking about it, and then it will just grow from there. So there's all these different ways you can use your cooking show to increase your revenue. But to do that, what I recommend is not focusing on you, but focusing on creating a show that everybody benefits from. Growing your YouTube cooking channel quickly is really not that hard to do if you're willing to create a show where other people win too, and not just you. So if this is something that you want to do and you need some help developing your strategy, you can use the link in the description box to schedule a time for us to discuss it, and I'll help you as best I can. And if you want to just get started today with your cooking channel, all you really need is your smartphone, and you can use this video to learn how to do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.